I'm 9,000 foot up, preparing to land an open ocean. It's a dangerous drop, and one that I can't afford to get wrong. I've got a few basic survival tools, and my camera crew is coming with me. I'm free falling at around 120 miles an hour. Before I hit the sea, I must detach from my parachute. It's a technique used by the Special Forces, but it's a high-risk maneuver. There's nothing below me to help me judge distances and gauge just when to detach. The danger is dropping too early and too high. Get this wrong, and hitting the water is going to be like landing on concrete.